Now we're lifting at 160 volts, a little higher. Beautiful, isn't it? Looks like a UFO. Previously, in models for UFO levitation, we built models with 1, 2, 3 blue three-phase coils outside that make a rotating magnetic field, and 1 red coil inside which has AC power. Here we're going to look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coils outside with three-phase power, and again 1 coil inside with AC power. And here we have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coils outside, blue with three-phase power, UU, VV, WW, and we'll have 1 coil inside, which is red, that will have AC power. Now the purpose of those 6 wire coils outside is to make a set of 4 magnets spin. N magnets, you see it spinning. So here we have these 6 magnets here, just like we have 6 three-phase magnets there. And in another crop picture you can see 6 of them are spinning clockwise, just like the magnetic field on those 6 wire coils is spinning clockwise. Next we have a red wire coil in the center, at the center of those 6 three-phase wire coils, which is right here. And what it does, when the magnets are spinning inside like this, that AC magnetic field like this makes anything placed inside rise up. So let's place an aluminium disc on top of that magnet with no other magnets around, turn on AC power, and you can see it rises up by what's called Lenz levitation. We can still get a lot more power, say if we go from 120 volts to 180 volts. Now let's watch how fast it jumps up. Finally, let's watch this 10mm aluminium disc jump up at 240 volts AC in the red coil. I'm backing away a little bit. Jumped way up. Look at it one more time. That's called the jumping ring in physics. So we can get a lot of UFO upward power from that if we harness it correctly. The next thing we have to do is get these 6 blue wire coils, 3-phase around the outside, spin those magnets really fast so we get a spin motion. Now one way to do it is we have them wired as UVW, UVW in series, and if I put 8 magnets above there, like this, with an aluminum in the middle, and they're arranged NS, 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 the field goes clockwise, and the magnets go very fast anti-clockwise with a lot of power. That's 30 hertz, but since there's 2 poles, it's really about 15 hertz for the rotor. UVW, UVW, and 8 magnets alternating N and S. So in summary, we always have an aluminium plate in the center with 8 magnets around the outside, NS, 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 NS. And we have 6 wire coils, and they can be wired UVW, UVW. There's quite a lot of torque. We can also get torque with UU, VV, WW, and it's a little faster but very choppy and not quite as smooth. Now we have this device spinning and lifting up at the same time. 8 magnets, NS, 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 are spinning anti-clockwise of the 6 wire coils. That's 30 hertz. And they're wired as UVW, UVW clockwise. The rotor's going anti-clockwise. And also lifting up by Lenz levitation from the AC wire coil below. Here we have it lifting up at 180 hertz. Spinning at 50 hertz. Spinning and lifting at the same time. 6 wire coils make it spin with 8 magnets. And there's an AC wire coil in the center which lifts it up so that it can spin, like Lenz levitation. Let's turn off the AC power now and watch what happens. Now let's remove this large rotor, and you can see a red AC wire coil at the very center gives you about 180 volts, and it reacts with this aluminium plate at the center of the rotor and makes it lift up by Lenz levitation. We have 6 wire coils around the outside like this, wired UVW, and they react with these 8 magnets on the rotor, NS, 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 to make it go actually in the opposite direction. So we can lift from the red coil and spin using these 6 blue coils, and that may provide some basis for UFO levitation. Now we can also make it spin and lift using another rotor with 8 magnets, which is a bit floppier in the middle. You can hear the hum of the AC lifting motion. Let's turn on the 3-phase power, and you can see it spins anti-clockwise with the 8 magnets, even though the field is going clockwise in those 6 coils. Let's go a little faster. Now it's spinning and lifting. Now we're lifting at 180 volts. With the red coil below, and the thing's spinning quite quickly. Turn off the 3-phase power. Slowly comes down. Turn off the AC coil, and it flops. Now if we take off this rotor, you can see the red AC coil there is making that aluminium disc lift up in the air in the center, and then these 6 wire coils here, all the 3-phase power is UVW, are making those 8 magnets spin anti-clockwise, NS, 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 NS. So these are 2 different ways to make a UFO fly. We'll be doing further testing soon. Thank you to the stars.